Before you skip this video, take a look at these profits. This entire trading session started with just $100 and ended with more than $2,900. How did that happen? Was it luck? Absolutely not. Today I'm showing you exactly how I used my trading bot to analyze the market, find trading opportunities, and execute every trade during this session. Stay until the end, because you'll see every step of the process. Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking for random trading signals, this isn't that kind of video. Today I'm showing you my complete trading session from start to finish. Every trade you'll see is exactly how I approach the market during this session. The trading bot helps me scan the market and identify potential setups, but I still review every opportunity before placing a trade. Let's start by opening the trading bot. The first thing I need to do is choose the market I want to analyze. Now I'll connect the trading bot directly to IQ Option Broker. Perfect. The analysis is complete, and the bot has just generated our first trading signal. Let's see how this one plays out. Now the trade is active. There's nothing else to do except stay patient and let the trade play out. No panic, no emotional decisions. Just trust the analysis and wait for the expiration time. By the way, if you'd like to try the same trading bot I'm using in this video, you can find everything you need in the video description below. Simply check the description, follow the instructions, and you'll be able to connect with our community, where you can learn more about the bot and how it's used. Now, let's see how this trade finishes. And there it is! The buy trade closes in profit. That's exactly the kind of setup I was waiting for. Let's move on to the next opportunity. That's it for today's trading session. If you want to get access to the same trading bot I used in this video, simply check the first link in the description below. Follow the instructions and you'll be connected with our community for more information and guidance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell because I upload real trading sessions and new strategies every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.